Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Emily and today's such a nice sunny day in San Diego. We're so close to the weekend and I'm really looking forward to it because my best friend is coming to stay with me for a couple of days. And usually what I like to do, because I like to be a good host, is clean my apartment before I have her come stay. Depends on how dirty I feel like it is, if I need to like do some intense cleaning. But nonetheless, I like to clean up, make it feel nice and fresh in here so she could feel good when she arrives. Even if I don't have people coming over and it's a regular day, I like to maintain a clean environment. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I'm gonna do a little clean with me video. I haven't done one of these in a long time and I personally love these because not only do I get a clean home out of it, but also people mentioned before is that I gave them a little encouragement to also clean while watching the video. So let's clean together, shall we? Yeah, I'm really excited to get started. I think I'm only going to focus on the kitchen and the bathroom today. Really excited to get this going. And before we get started, I wanted to give a big thank you to today's sponsor, Grove Collaborative. Grove Collaborative allows you to live sustainably without compromising the quality of your products. And they create revolutionary planet-first products, so their brand really focuses on innovation and sustainability. Now that we're in August, I can't be the only one thinking, oh my gosh, we are so close to fall. But I'm so happy that Grove reached out to me because they just came out with their first ever Grove Co. fall collection called Golden Hour. So these cleaning products are perfect for fall, perfect for when we have our friends and family together. Keep your home smelling nice and clean. So I'm really excited to share these products with you guys and I'm really excited to get to cleaning. So the Golden Hour collection features fully recyclable plastic-free packaging, plant-based formulas, and has no harsh chemicals or synthetic fragrances. The collection features 2 limited edition scents, spiced pumpkin and autumn clementine. And as you guys can see, I got the spiced pumpkin. It smells so yummy, perfect for fall. And of course, these products are made with better ingredients and materials for your home and family. And what's awesome is that new customers will receive a free gift with purchase when they sign up for Grove using my special link. So with all that being said, let's get to cleaning. So of course we had to put our hair up. We're getting into cleaning mode. And if you're anything like me, you probably consider cleaning as a form of therapy or a form of self-care. So what I typically like to do is either put on a show on my phone or put on some music just to really get into the cleaning vibe. And sometimes when I'm cleaning at night, I'll pour myself like a little wine or something, make it a full-on event. That's what I like to do. Honestly, I think cleaning and organizing has to be one of my favorite self-care activities, hands down. So let's get to it. We're gonna start in the kitchen. But yeah, what I like to start with is literally just clearing the counter space, wipe everything down. So we're just gonna focus on the outer. But yeah, let's get started. Let's have some fun. So like I mentioned, I'm gonna clear off everything that's on the counter so I can wipe everything down.
It's okay if I'm falling and you're running.
So I'm pretty lucky that I have a very small kitchen, so cleaning is so fast. But anyways, I already cleared out those counters. What we're gonna do is get some multi-purpose cleaner, and Grove actually sent me this really cute bottle. It's also part of the Golden Hour collection, and this is gonna be my first time trying out these concentrates. We'll just be using our reusable little spray. So yeah, let's get to it.
I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind.
Okay, well that was fun, and look at how gorgeous this color is. Definitely Golden Hour vibes.
I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time. One more time.
Alright Alright you guys, so I just had an idea and I decided to switch out. You guys saw I've been using this. I got this from Goodwill. I'm not exactly sure what it's for, but I was using this to hold like this little scrub and other things for the dishes. But since Grove sent me this tray, I wanted to swap it out to give it a different feel. And it looks so cute over here. I think it looks less crowded now and I love it. First of all, I really love the scent of this. It's not overpowering or anything. It's very subtle and warm, and it's making me excited for fall. So it smells really good. All right, so we're gonna focus now on the stove and everything. Because I checked, and this cleaner also works on stainless steel, so that's pretty great. And then I'm gonna clean the cabinet, so let's get to it.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad.
Okay, now I need to clean these from the stove because I haven't cleaned these in a while. And all that I'm gonna use is an old sponge that I was about to throw away. So yeah, let's do that.
Space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause
Alright you guys, now we are in the bathroom, so we're halfway there. And my bathroom is even smaller than my kitchen, so it's gonna be really easy. I brought over my little cleaning stuff for the bathroom. This is also all from Grove. They carry all of your favorite sustainable cleaning products. So I have a few here that I'm gonna be using. So let me give you guys a quick little rundown of the bathroom and what we're gonna be tackling today. So here we have my little vanity. We have the toilet right here, some of the cleaning products we're gonna be using. We're also gonna be cleaning the shower. And yeah, that's the bathroom. Really small, like I said, so it should not take too long. And we're gonna go ahead and just start with the vanity. I like to start here first, and then I make my way to this guy. And then I like to clean the floor. And then lastly, it's cleaning the shower, because after I clean the shower, I'm gonna take a shower.
on certain days, it's hard to say that you've been sad and I'm the one to blame. Thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain. And what's the point of flying if you only make it half of the way? Halfway. On certain days, it's hard to say.
Alright you guys, so we're all done with the bathroom. All I have to do now is finish wiping down the shower when I get in there to rinse off. But also, one other thing that I like to do before I have a friend stay with me, or if I'm like having guests or something, is of course replacing the towel. I'm going to swap this one out for my clean towel. And of course, always have to have the matching hand towel for when guests arrive, because when guests aren't here, they don't have to match. But I always like to do that little simple thing that makes a difference. And I wanted to share something else from Grove that I also picked up from their shop, and that is this clear the air before you go spray. And I have another one that I use, but this packaging is so much cuter, and I thought it looked perfect right there on my little shelf. So now we are finally complete.
It's hard to say. I thought I saw you crying, but you told me that it was just the rain. Just rain.
I just finished rinsing off. I actually feel so much better and a lot more awake, which is good. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Thank you again to Grove Collaborative for sponsoring today's video. So don't forget to check out Grove and their new Golden Hour collection. And remember, new customers get a free gift with purchase when they sign up using my link. So thank you guys again, and I'll see you next time.